All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning back in. Weekly Wi-Fi, Terry Dolberg here. Like, subscribe, but have the Skydio R1 drone that'll be opening here, and then hopefully go out and use that with the Sonic, a little bit of a close-up and some different filming that the R1 can do. So anyway, we'll get into this real quick. Open the side up, but we'll get the main opening here. Alright, so packing slips we've got. Worked with Howie at Skydio there, and he was able to get me a pretty decent promotion here, and a nice thing that you can do when you buy. But I got the bag that will carry the drone, and the colors that came with, I believe, are here as well, but I have got an extra set to go with as well. So let's see how that opens up, hopefully. There we go. Alright, looks like we've got them stacked up inside that way. So very well packaged. As far as the setup goes, looks like got another battery in here as well. So a little bit more compact of a drone than I thought it was going to be as far as packaging goes. So we'll see all unsealed here. Very clean packaging, that's for sure. Down here looks like North Face is the brand on the carrying backpack. And it looks like this is a slide off of a plastic coated cardboard. Hopefully, let's see, looks like it opens up. I hope this is top, we'll see here. Got magnetic closure. Hopefully lifts up, yeah. To the side. So, and inside we've got instructions, looks like. The drone itself, we'll see how this gets out. It's got some holds here. So hopefully this lifts up and out. Actually pivots up and out. And it's bonded in, so there we go. So fairly compact. You can tell it's substantial as far as structure and everything that's there. It's got a clip to kind of hold it positioned, and we'll dig into that a little bit more when we get on site. Has a battery in on that, so hopefully didn't activate anything, but you can see all the cameras. It's got this drone has got a lot of features that the ordinary drones on the market do not, as far as being more of a cinematography kind of a structure. Brushless motors here are open on the top side for venting, open the center. Then they have sensors, cameras on the bottom as well, Wi-Fi password in that. For the drone there. Venting looks like for airflow through. They've got almost looks like a speaker grill. I don't know if you can kind of see that or not, but very nice. So set that back in here for now until we get through this. Then inside we've got cables there, charger adapter right here. And then a bit of a filler block. I would imagine they might have had kits, and I think on the website they actually had some kits that came with some extra components, props, and batteries that are inside this void. And looks like got some stickers that were thrown in, so appreciate that. That'll be kind of a neat thing to add on as well. So anyway, we will go ahead, place these back in. set this down. On this end, we'll dig into it a little bit more, make sure it's charged up, and then we'll go out and take a look at some of the features there. But very nice packaging. Great job there. Shipping wise, I mean, for a cost standpoint, it's a premium drone. Hopefully enjoy some great things going forward with either automobile, bike, mountain biking, other activities out and through and around obstacles. Riding the Onewheel will be kind of a neat thing, which is one of the main aspects that I had on this purchase. So anyway, we'll be with you. We're going to go through the Skydio R1 hand launch and land. So we've got the R1 is powered up, ready to fly. We fly now on that, calibrating. Safety checks, that's all good. Going to do hand launch. And you hold it with your fingers together, thumb on top. It launched by swiping up. The power up. And let go. And we'll turn around and locate you in the video. Zoom in a little bit. Hand landing side, you can hit stop. Okay, so then it will hover where it's at. You're ready to go. All the time it's been recording and captured the video. All right, thanks guys. We'll put this together and show you the unbox.